Hi, and welcome to Define. Today, we will take a closer look at the quick reading technique called skimming. It is an essential skill for quickly identifying key ideas and specific details in a text, especially when time is limited, like in exams or professional settings. You will familiarize yourself with the easiest to the hardest of such questions. There are words when defining skimming that would be beneficial for you to know. They are shown here. When skimming, you focus on extracting these key points quickly, so you don't need to read every word to understand the general message. Skimming is quickly scanning a text to grasp the main idea or find key details. To attempt a skimming-based question, read the title, headings, and key phrases, then focus on locating specific information or understanding the general theme without reading every word. Let's practice some questions. Remember, you are not reading every word. You are looking for words that match the important words given in the question. See if you can find the answers before the time runs out. Key phrases in a text are words or groups of words that convey important information or main ideas. Here's how to identify them. Now, let's practice skimming using a passage. There are 4 questions asked from the passage. See if you can find the answer before the time runs out. The answer is shown after the last countdown. Ready? Now, if you're still finding it hard to implement skimming, reach out to us and get personalized one-on-one coaching session at your convenient time. Meanwhile, like this video, share it with someone you know, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.